In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Baskin-Robbins gift card. By the end, you'll be able to send a sweet surprise to someone's inbox or grab one for yourself in just a few minutes. First, open a trusted gift card website or an official partner page for the brand. Stick to reputable platforms with secure checkout and clear customer support. Look for a secure connection in your browser and avoid any site offering deals that seem too good to be true. Using a well-known partner helps ensure the card is valid and delivered quickly. Next, select the Baskin-Robbins Gift Card and choose the e-gift option. An e-gift is the digital version of a gift card, which means it's delivered by email rather than mailed physically. This is the fastest way to send a last-minute treat, and it's easy to store on your phone. Now, pick the amount. Most platforms let you choose a value between $5 and $100. Think about what your recipient might order, maybe a couple of scoops, a cake, or a few visits, and choose a total that fits your budget. If you're unsure, a mid-range amount is usually a safe bet. Enter the recipient's email address or your own if you want to receive it first and forward it later. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of the email. A small typo can delay delivery, so accuracy really matters here. You'll see an option to add a message. This is optional, but it's a nice touch for birthdays, congratulations, or a simple thank you. Keep it short and friendly, and remember some sites limit the number of characters. Click Buy or Checkout to move to the order review. Before you pay, confirm the brand, the card amount, the delivery email, and that it's set for instant delivery. If the platform shows currency or region details, make sure they match where the card will be used. Choose your payment method. Most sites accept major credit or debit cards and popular digital wallets. Enter your details carefully and be aware that taxes or small processing fees may appear depending on your location and the platform's policy. After payment, the gift card is delivered instantly to the email you provided. The message will include the card value and a code or link to redeem it. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a few minutes, then check your spam or promotions folder. Save the email somewhere safe, and if you're gifting it, forward it with your personal note. That's it. Quick, simple, and ready to enjoy. Happy gifting!